So I'll finish up now after the sun's gone. Zooming over that way, you can see the blur. It's the blur of gold. The sun's well on its way around to America now. East Coast America. There's a bit of a wisp there. There's just been a new chem, which I wasn't watching because I was over the other side of the room. Generally, the cloud that hasn't gone over the top of us has been frequency, is that the right word? Into oblivion. So we're left with this lot out back, looking to the north and the west. That's looking to the north more like, but as we go round, the sun went down over that way, well, went round over that way. You don't get a lot of detail on this kind of zoom out, but that's just to give you an idea of what's out there. It'd help when it's in focus, wouldn't it? So that's to give you an idea of what's out there. That cloud over there, it's starting to look a bit worse for wear. Just passing top of that chemtrail. Now that's a contrail, and that's the remains of the sunset. That golden hazy glow, a lot of gold blurred. The chemtrail, one of the chemtrails over this way. Right, down this direction, that's showing black in places. So get down here, I've got that little upturn. There's that little dodgy one there. Looks like frequencies on those trails. Sorry, my arm's slipping. Anyway. They're having a go at that one now. So over here, just to the right of the marker tree, I'm used for reference, you know, these bastards have to be stopped. I know they made it legal so that they can do it, but you know, it's about time people woke the fuck up. This is getting bloody pathetic. Bloody brain death of people. Like, my God, what a state this sodding world is in, people. Not you guys. You guys who are actually watching it. Oh, sorry, you guy who's watching it, probably. I don't have that many people watching my shit. I still do it though. Just in the hope somebody will wake up. even if it's just one bloody person there. Right, I think that'll do. I hope you have a pleasant day tomorrow. You've got our sun now, so good luck. I hope you don't get the chem like you usually do over there. That's horrendous.